Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Glam Ellen. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In my channel, I love to do a glamorous tablescape, a little bit of DIY, and a lifestyle blogger, also home decorating. So today guys, I am collaborating with my group, which is the Glam Squad. So the Glam Squad members are myself, Glamour Ellen, Chanel of Inspired by Chanel, N of Renter's Lab Luxury by N and Elegant Designs by B, and K of Creating with Miss K. So here I choose to decorate my master bedroom. And you know, my master bedroom is very glam, so I would like to tone it down a little bit. So I switched the curtain from my loft because the color I am going for is, of course, blush pink. This wall art right here came from Home Goods, and here guys, this is one tip for you. So this screw right here, the name of this one is Monkey's Hook, and you can get this one from Home Depot, and it's very easy to put your wall art there. Even it's you have a 100 pounds wall art, they have two sizes there, the 50 pounds and 100 pounds. So this is what I'm doing all the time, and it's very easy for me. I don't have to put a nail on it. Everyone, after you watch my video, please go over to the rest of the members of the Glam Squad, and I hope you can get some ideas over there how they decorate their home. And here, let's keep watching. So guys, since I cannot find the other piece of this, I'm going to use my napkin ring, and this is like a rose gold, I believe. Well, yeah, I'm going to plan B. I have gold with this and I cannot find them, so I'm just gonna go use this napkin ring right here. And it's a wave, so I'm going to push it like this. So I'm just gonna flip it here. You have to be creative, you know. So if it doesn't go my way, I will figure it out. And I hope it works. Nah, I like it, guys. It's cute.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could.
Hi everyone, welcome to my master bedroom, and I hope you enjoy.
So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest, I know you want it, put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy, just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be
Everyone, please don't forget to go over to the rest of the members of the Glam Squad. I will leave their link in my description box along with the playlist. And I hope guys you support them and subscribe to them. And thank you so much for stopping by to watch our videos.
Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light?
And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so all the time I upload videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.